Zhejiang Tengjing Electromechanical Co Limited is a leading manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, sales, and service of high-quality air compressors. Established in 1997 and headquartered in Taizhou, Zhejiang Province, China, the company operates from a modern 16,980 square meters production facility with a dedicated team of 132 skilled professionals. Tengjing offers a comprehensive range of air compressors, including oil-free silent air compressors, belt-driven air compressors, direct-driven air compressors, and screw air compressors, designed to meet diverse industrial needs. By continuously innovating, the company introduces new series and upgraded designs to align with market trends and customer preferences. To ensure superior product quality and performance, Tengjing has invested in advanced manufacturing technologies such as automatic welding lines, CNC machining centers, and automatic wiring machines, combined with a strict quality management system. The company holds CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certifications, reflecting its commitment to safety, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. Over the years, Tengjing has built two well-known domestic brands, JUBA and FEIBAO, earning a strong reputation in the Chinese market. Additionally, the company has expanded globally, forming successful partnerships with over 50 countries, including the USA, Mexico, Brazil, Germany, Hungary, Ukraine, Thailand, and Vietnam, further strengthening its international presence. With a mission to deliver reliable and efficient air compressors worldwide, Tengjing warmly welcomes customers and partners to visit its facilities and explore long-term business cooperation. The company remains dedicated to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, striving to be a trusted global leader in the air compressor industry.